SF-1530N adopts a brand new appearance with embedded screen and new sport legs. The fully enclosed lifting door is equipped with CE-compliant, laser-protective acrylic panels on both sides of it. They are safe locks, together with inside cameras to ensure personal safety. Its high-strength aluminum alloy beam has excellent dynamic performance due to the lightweight. This machine has been further upgraded recently in terms of not only exterior facade, but also its much heavier and stabler body. To be specific, the same hole pipe welded machine to bed with special anti-browning devices will help to reduce thermal deformation, extend overall service life, and ensure cutting precision. Thanks to double air ducts, blow and suction extraction system, 3 cross-section zones, servo-type air valves, as well as wear inlet and outlet. Air circulation inside the bed is certainly accelerated and dust removal efforts become better. This well-protected trolley is hooper with removable liner, so that it's more convenient to remove all carting waste quickly. The new function of nozzle cleaning is also available to users now.